Hey, what's up guys? Tim Langhauser here, Compass Home Group, coming at you from beautiful Cedar Day neighborhood in Bel Air, Harford County. Our newest listing, 2215 Erin Way. This beautiful home has 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, 0.5 acres, an absolutely stunning backdrop. As you can see, we back to the woods, beautiful outdoor space, a monstrous deck, in-law suite on the main level. Let's check out the inside and I'll see you back here in a minute. Hey guys, thanks again for checking out 2215 Erin Way here in Cedar Day. For your private tour, give us a call today at 443-360-0086.